Hello, loves. I'm Mariam, and here we talk all chic and elegant. Let's go. Today, I want to talk about three easy accessories and mostly free because you probably have them at home. Something that I really like to do is being creative as far as not only not only the way I dress up and mix and match things and try different styles. It's even about jewelries. You can make your own jewelry, like make it unique for yourself, something that is only for you and you know nobody else has it because you created yourself. I don't mean make your own jewelries. I mean make a new jewelry out of your existing jewelries. What I mean exactly is, for example, I have this pair of earrings, and also I have this little charm that I'm sure it goes very well with these earrings. So I want to put them together and see the result. You see how cute and unique it turned out. I love it so much because this is the only earring for me and nobody else has it. The second one, which is my favorite, is scarves. I think you can dress up with just one little scarf, a very basic outfit. You can dress it up and take it to another level. And the last accessory is your smile. You always have it with you and make a huge difference. I hope you like this video. Until next time, bye.